Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Fail2Ban and restore firewall rules. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Fail2Ban and restore firewall rules, first, access your server via SSH. Log in using your administrative credentials. Start by checking the status of Fail2Ban to ensure it is running. Execute the command, systemful status Fail2Ban. If it's running, stop the service with the command, systemful stop Fail2Ban. Now that Fail2Ban is stopped, you can proceed with the uninstallation. Depending on your Linux distribution, use the appropriate command. For Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, type apt-get remove Fail2Ban. For CentOS or RHEL-based systems, use yum remove Fail2Ban. After the uninstallation completes, you need to restore your firewall rules. If you are using UFW, reset it with the command of reset. Re-enable UFW by typing of enable. If you are using iptables, flush the rules with iptables F. Then, save the changes using the command service iptables save. Review your firewall rules to ensure they are set correctly. You can check the current rules with the command iptables L. Once everything is verified, your system is now free of Fail2Ban, and your firewall rules are restored. Consider performing a reboot to ensure all changes take effect properly. This completes the process of uninstalling Fail2Ban and restoring your firewall rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.